So here we are, we've got the keel out. It took a bit of an ordeal, but got it out okay. As you can see, the pin is not straight. There's a third of it is on the starboard side. You've got 2/3 of the pin sitting on the port side. So I'm going to cut that with a hacksaw either side, and I'm going to drill it out. And I'm going to put a new pin in, and hopefully epoxy it in place so it doesn't move, and then attack the keel, clean it up a little bit, and put it back underneath. Here we go. So here's a good view of the marking from the locking bolt. It's worn into the keel there. It's like all the paint's worn away, and obviously that's why the pin was pushed over this way, because basically it's while the locking bolt being raised and lowered while it's in, it made the keel be pushed over towards the starboard side. So yeah, we'll just clean it up and hopefully it's all cool. The old Black & Decker drills, she's smoking. We've got a 5/8 drill bit through there, but the old Black & Decker, man, she can't handle it. Finally been able to pry the pin loose. I knew this old hanger strap would come in handy. Well, it turned out better than I thought it would. The pin slides in really nicely. It's quite firm. There's a little bit of a gap at the top there, but other than that, it's really snug. This paint is really thick.